Touriste.
Tourist.
Tourist.
Excusez-moi, où se trouve le centre d'information touristique?
Excuse me. Where is the Tourist Information Center? Excuse me. Where is the Tourist Information Center?
Y a-t-il une remise spéciale pour les touristes dans cet hôtel?
Is there a special discount for tourists at this hotel? Is there a special discount for tourists at this hotel?
Passeport.
Passport.
Passport.
Votre passeport, s'il vous plaît?
Your passport, please. Your passport, please.
N'oubliez pas d'emporter votre passeport.
Don't forget to bring your passport. Don't forget to bring your passport.
Visa.
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 Avez-vous un visa valide?
Do you have a valid visa? Do you have a valid visa?
L'officier a demandé à voir mon visa et mon passeport.
The officer asked to see my visa and passport. The officer asked to see my visa and passport.
Valise.
Suitcase.
Suitcase.
J'ai besoin d'acheter une nouvelle valise pour mon prochain voyage.
I need to buy a new suitcase for my next trip. I need to buy a new suitcase for my next trip.
Excusez-moi, est-ce votre valise?
Excuse me, is this your suitcase? Excuse me, is this your suitcase?
Sac à dos.
Backpack.
Backpack.
Puis-je prendre mon sac à dos comme bagage à main?
Can I take my backpack as carry-on luggage? Can I take my backpack as carry-on luggage?
Pourriez-vous me passer mon sac à dos, s'il vous plaît?
Could you pass me my backpack, please? Could you pass me my backpack, please?
Appareil photo.
Camera.
Camera.
Je porte toujours mon appareil photo avec moi.
I always carry my camera with me. I always carry my camera with me.
N'oubliez pas d'éteindre le flash de l'appareil photo.
Don't forget to switch off the camera flash. Don't forget to switch off the camera flash.
Bagage.
Luggage.
Luggage.
Je dois faire mes bagages.
I need to pack my luggage. I need to pack my luggage.
N'oubliez pas de peser vos bagages avant de partir à l'aéroport.
Don't forget to weigh your luggage before the airport. Don't forget to weigh your luggage before the airport.
Souvenir.
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 Les souvenirs dans cette boutique sont assez chers.
The souvenirs in this shop are quite expensive. The souvenirs in this shop are quite expensive.
C'est mon souvenir préféré de New York.
This is my favorite souvenir from New York. This is my favorite souvenir from New York.
Carte.
Map.
Map.
Pouvez-vous marquer le musée sur une carte?
Can you mark the museum on a map? Can you mark the museum on a map?
Le centre d'information fournit des cartes gratuites.
The Information Center provides free maps. The Information Center provides free maps.
Chemin.
Path.
Path.
Pouvez-vous me montrer le chemin de l'arrêt de bus?
Can you show me the path to the bus stop? Can you show me the path to the bus stop?
Le chemin à travers le parc est magnifique.
The path through the park is beautiful. The path through the park is beautiful.